Hello everyone, welcome back to the EduLex Rank Up classes. I am HS Vats and today children we will discuss about climate. Right? This is the new chapter in geography and we are going to start today. But before that, I will discuss with you what you have learned in the previous chapters. Right? And I hope if you can recall and you have gone through the videos of these previous chapters which have been done already, you can give the answers also, right? So you tell me what we have learned in the previous chapters. So yes, yeah, we have learned about the landforms in the physical features of India. We have also learned about the drainage, which means the pattern which is formed by different rivers and their tributaries. So these are the two features that you have learned. Now, here today in this chapter, that is climate, you are going to learn about atmospheric conditions. Right? Now tell me one question. Why do we wear? आपने देखा होगा कि कुछ लोग they wear different types of clothes in different seasons. Say for example, woolens in winters and the cotton clothes in the summers. Not only this children, we at times find that the atmospheric conditions or the weather conditions are quite hot and uncomfortable to us, particularly in the months of May and June. Right? Have you thought of this? Why is it so? Why is it so? What are the reasons behind it? Have you thought of why the weather becomes quite oppressive after the rainy season gets over, and in between the rainy season and the winter starts, we have a transitional period where the weather is quite oppressive to us. So have you think of the reasons for this? पूरा दिन पसीने आते हैं, बहुत सूरज बहुत गर्मी वाला होता है. आपने देखा होगा जब the people those who work in the fields, खेतों में जो काम करते हैं, how oppressiveness of weather they feel. It's quite hot and humid. Clear? So you try to identify all the answers for all these questions in this chapter, that is climate. Clear? So you might have thought of that why in the months of August or say in July we have rainfall. So why do we have it? So India is the land of having different seasons, right children? And the answers to all these questions, all the questions related to these atmospheric conditions, we are going to study about in this chapter. And we'll try to find the answers to all these questions, right? Now, the question is, what is climate? There are two terms, climate and also weather. Clear? कई बार जब हम बच्चों से पूछते हैं ना, बताओ क्लाइमेट क्या है, सर मौसम. Children, there is a lot of difference in weather and climate. We at times gets confused and in a similar meaning we do take these two terms, right? But it is not so. They are not similar in their meanings. The meaning is quite different. However, the elements of weather and climate are the same, but their meaning is quite different. Now let's see how. Climate. This climate is a more wider term which is used as the sum total of the atmospheric conditions which are studied for a longer period of time over a larger area. Right? So, what is climate? The sum total of atmospheric conditions over a large area and also for a longer duration. Say, for example, maybe 50 years, maybe 30 years, or 30 to 50 years in between. When regularly we keep studying the atmospheric conditions, right, or the weather conditions and its variations over a large area for a long period of time, right, that is known as climate. You know, over the period of 30 plus, when we study these variations in the atmospheric conditions, and then we find a conclusion कि इस पर्टिकुलर एरिया की जो क्लाइमेटिक कंडीशंस हैं वो कैसी हो सकती हैं, वो कॉन्टिनेंटल टाइप ऑफ क्लाइमेट हो सकती है, वो जीरोफाइट टाइप ऑफ क्लाइमेट हो सकती है, वो मॉडरेट टाइप ऑफ क्लाइमेटिक कंडीशंस हो सकती हैं, वो हॉट एंड ह्यूमिड क्लाइमेटिक कंडीशंस हो सकती हैं, और वो पोलर क्लाइमेटिक कंडीशंस हो सकती हैं. वो किसी भी तरह की क्लाइमेटिक कंडीशंस हो सकती हैं, प्रोवाइडेड these atmospheric conditions are studied for longer duration of times and for large area, right, and that too with variations that they have. So I hope I'm clear in the meaning. Clear? Now, what is weather, children? It is the state of atmosphere for a smaller area, right? You know, when day-to-day conditions are studied for a particular area or maybe a smaller area, it doesn't mean that we only for the smaller area we would study. It could be your locality. It could be your village. It could be a particular specified region or area, but not as large as we study for climate. Clear? So, the state of atmosphere, that is the conditions of atmosphere when are studied on day-to-day basis, right? That is known as weather. Clear? Now, you know, sometimes आपने देखा होगा बच्चे, जब आप सुबह उठते हो आप पाओगे कि the weather is very pleasant, very cool, but sometimes you find the weather is windy, or in the morning it is, you know, cool, but later it becomes a quite hotter, and maybe evening आते आते क्या होता है, stormy हो जाता है weather. सनी हो जाता है, दोपहर में बहुत तेज धूप होती है, कई बार रेन आ जाता है तो रेनी डे हो जाता है, राइट, क्लाउडी डे हो जाता है, एंड मे बी वेट एंड ड्राई, मे बी ब्राइट, मे बी प्लीजेंट, मे बी कूल, मे बी हॉट. I mean, these are the different patterns that we observe on particular area, on a particular given day or particular time period. So all these are referred to weather, right, children? Now, if we talk of the elements of weather and climate, they are the same. So what are these elements? So these are the elements of weather and climate. They are the same. I have told you already. So what are these? Number one, temperature. And then we have atmospheric pressure. Then you may have precipitation. Maybe wind, and then it could be what? What it can be other than the, the elements. If we talk of wind, pressure, precipitation, including rainfall, yeah, humidity. It is humidity, yes. Clear? Precipitation, that is, it includes rainfall also, because there are various other forms of precipitation. पानी जो होता है, कंडेंसेशन जो होता है, वो आप प्रीवियस क्लासेस में पढ़ चुके हो, वो किसी भी फॉर्म में नीचे आता है. एंड ऑल दोज फॉर्म्स, बी इट रेनफॉल, बी इट फॉग, बी इट ड्रिजलिंग और लाइट रेनफॉल और snowfall or hailstorm, any other form of water which comes on the earth, that in totality or altogether is known as precipitation. But most common form of precipitation is rainfall. Clear, children? So these are the elements of weather and climate. These elements, when are studied for longer duration of time, and what patterns we observe, that is called climate. And when all these are studied for particular area and particular time period on day-to-day basis, then it is known as weather. Clear? Now, weather conditions, if we talk of, they fluctuate. Means they have variations. They fluctuate from day to evening. I have already told you, sometimes you find the sunny day, the rainy day, or the windy day, cloudy day. I mean, the kind of. Right, children? So, based on this generalized monthly basis atmospheric conditions, we generally divide the entire calendar into different seasons, be it winter, be it summer, or the rainy one. And based on this, the food we eat, the clothes we wear, and also, the lifestyles, that is the houses in which we live in, changes from one area to another, depending upon the seasons or the climatic conditions in which we are living. Now, if we talk of the word, based on these elements, you might have come across that we have different types of climates, or the entire world has been divided into different climatic regions, right? So have you thought of what type of climate do we have in India? So for your kind information, मैं आपको बता दूं कि इंडिया में we have monsoon type of climate, right? Now आप पूछोगे कि सर ये मानसून क्या है? Have you thought of this? What does monsoon mean? Monsoon. Monsoon is an Arabic word. It is an Arabic word, derives from Mosim. Right? This monsoon word has derived from this mosim, which means seasons. Means the reversal of winds with the change of, the direction of winds gets reversed with the change of the seasons. सीजन जैसे ही चेंज होता है, विंड का जो डायरेक्शन जब चेंज हो जाता है, तो ऐसी वेदर कंडीशंस को हम क्या बोलते हैं? मानसून. एंड जनरली इंडिया में ये जो मानसून है, इसी की वजह से बारिश होती है. क्लियर? नाउ द क्वेश्चन इज, if India's climatic conditions are monsoon type, right, and these type of climatic conditions are found in Southeast Asian countries also. Now what does it mean, children? If we talk of the quite perceptible variations in the climatic conditions, we take up two elements. And what are these elements based on which we have some perceptible variations as far as the climatic conditions of India is concerned? So we have taken up the temperature and precipitation. This temperature and precipitation, if we studied these two in India, we find lot of variations, lot of fluctuations from Jammu Kashmir to Kanyakumari and from Gujarat to Arunachal Pradesh. Let's see how.